I'm working on a 1961 Mercury 400 outboard, and I have changed out I've rebuilt the carburetors, got new fuel lines on it, put new gaskets in, checked the bowls. In order to get those things off, I had to remove these 4 bolts and drop this box off the distributor so I could access the nut that's on the far side of the carburetor flange. And then I was also able to access this nut down here and pull the carburetors off. Right now I'm removing the gearbox. I'm not getting water out my exhaust port that I see in so many other videos. If you've never done this, you've got a nut here, a nut here, and I've already removed it. There's a nut under here, and what I didn't know was I have a socket head cap screw up inside here. I don't have my flashlight, but it's up in there. Stay tuned later. I'll show you some more pictures and videos.